everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive network error or offline mode problem. First of all, toggle the airplane mode on and off to reset your connections, and also wait for 15 to 20 seconds before turning it on. Next, we're going to check your Wi-Fi or cellular data to rule out network issues and make sure your internet is stable. Then disable offline mode in drive settings and re-enable when a stable network. Safety tip: do not rely on offline modes for critical backups unless you confirm sync completed. Quick fix: switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to force reconnection. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video and subscribe for more fixes and tutorials. See you guys in the next video.